Some observations on the Mavic Mini 2, which is an awesome drone. The potential is amazing, and it's, as I thought with the first one, that it was almost a professional tool. This is definitely just about there. There are some issues with the camera. It'll flicker on light and dark. It hasn't got quite the stabilized color and light quality yet. You can, even in 4K, you can zoom in too, and while you're recording, you can slide your finger on the well, it says 1+. You hit that with your finger, and you can slide it up and down. You also, if you hit the screen away from the in the center, say, you can also control the gimbal up and down. The quality is just fantastic. Once they got this issue sorted out with the flickering on and light and dark, it's not quite got it right. But it's a brilliant camera. It's potentially an amazing camera. I'd say better than the GoPro. It's just so flexible. The flight is much better than the first one. The motors, I'd say, are about 50% stronger. It copes with the wind far better. I don't know how they've done it. I mean, it's amazing for a tiny drone with very lightweight. It can really move in wind, against wind. It can move pretty fast, so you feel a lot more confident about not having flyaways in windy conditions. So all in all, an awesome drone. Anyway, I've got some footage. I'll show you some of the issues with the flickering on and off with the dark and light, and the zooming. It needs to be smoothed out as well, because it's an awesome function, the ability to zoom in with your finger. It's a pity there wasn't another gimbal opposite to the gimbal control, up and down, where you could actually zoom in and out, or a function where you could switch from the gimbal control to the zoom control. I'm not quite sure how you do that. It was a bit of software function. Tap on the screen to switch it over from a gimbal up and down control to a zoom control, which would be nice, and you could then get it much smoother, but it does need some software development. So all in all, an awesome little drone. Keep your Mavic 1 batteries, because you will go through the 3 you get with a combo very quick. It's a lot of fun, and I reckon very soon to be a very professional tool. You can move it. It's very quiet, of course, incredibly quiet. You can get very close to wildlife, and of course you can zoom in very close. It's the quietest DJI drone, and it's got incredible potential. Anyway, enjoy.